Hello, my name's Mike, I'm from Access Irrigation. In this video we'll be looking at alternative fittings for above ground pipe, or it's termed LDPE pipe, or soft wall pipe as we term it. Traditionally you'd use a barb type fitting, which is easy to fit, however it does have its drawbacks. So an alternative would be to use a combination between a barb fitting and a compression fitting, which are these, we call them Pozilock type fittings. Now the beauty of a Pozilock fitting, you could use it for a 20mm pipe or a 16mm pipe, so it has that additional variation. How do you do that? Well, you can see here we have a threaded 3/4 type fitting, and then we have an adapter. So that has a taper that fits into it, and then it has a barb for our, in this case, 16mm, and then a cap that screws onto it. However, we could take the same fitting and fit a blue insert, which is a 20mm, using the same threaded fittings, and screw it on, and we can convert it then to a 20mm. So the beauty of this is I can change it, so I can have a 16mm on one side and a 20mm on the other, or if I have a T, I can have a 20mm run and a 16mm branch off it. How do you fit them? Well, really easily. Make sure you've got the right insert. In this case, we're using a 16mm pipe, and we've got the green insert. It actually says on it, so in case you mislay the what fittings you've actually got, it actually says on the fitting and on the cap itself what size it is. So how you fit it? Really easy. Cut your pipe first of all nice and square using the pipe cutters. Pop the end lock nut through, and then just basically push it onto the barbs and tighten it up. You don't need hot water in this case like you did on the barb type fittings, and it gives a really robust connection. But also, whereas the barb fittings might be damaged if you tread on it, you're not going to damage this if you tread on it, so it's more secure.